The Lloyds of London marketplace is comprised of 5 key stakeholders: insurance buyers or policyholders, brokers, syndicates, managing agents, and cover holders. The way these 5 parties interact with one another helps shape the way the Lloyds of London marketplace operates and how coverage is placed. Policyholders include businesses, organizations, other insurers, and individuals from around the world who seek to mitigate the impact of potential losses. Policyholders may access the Lloyd's market through a broker, cover holder, or service company. As a policyholder, it's important to understand how you fit into the Lloyds of London marketplace. While it's true you can often secure a policy you need from local insurers, you may have unique or complex exposures traditional insurers are unable or unwilling to underwrite. In these instances, your insurance broker can help your company obtain the coverage it needs from the Lloyds of London marketplace. This typically involves contacting a surplus lines broker with access to the marketplace or locating a Lloyds of London broker who can obtain coverage on your behalf. Insurance brokers act as the direct line of communication between insurance buyers and Lloyd's syndicates. These brokers have to meet a number of standards in order to conduct business in the Lloyds of London marketplace. Not only are they responsible for complying with any relevant national regulations, they must also be accredited by the Corporation of Lloyds. Many Lloyds of London brokers are located in London itself and may conduct business through a subsidiary company. In the Lloyds of London marketplace, syndicates function similarly to insurance companies and are comprised of 1 or more members. These entities group together to assume risk and pay out claims using financial capital provided by its members. Every syndicate has insurance coverages they specialize in, such as commercial property, general liability, or commercial auto. Syndicates operate on what's known as a subscription model when assuming risk. Under this model, syndicates typically assume a percentage of the risk. By spreading out the risk, Lloyds of London syndicates are able to offer broad and diverse coverage for many different types of risk. Syndicates are technically set up on an annual basis. In practice, they usually operate from year to year, with members having the right, but not obligation, to participate in syndicates the following year. Managing agents have a number of responsibilities in the Lloyds of London marketplace. Above all, these parties work on behalf of syndicates, managing their day-to-day business. Managing agents may hire and supervise underwriters, claims adjusters, accountants, and other essential staff, work with more than 1 syndicate at a time, serve as a member of a syndicate providing capital, select and oversee cover holders. While the majority of business in the Lloyds of London marketplace is underwritten by syndicates that comes from brokers, some may be generated by cover holders. Cover holders are companies that, on behalf of the members of a syndicate, enter into a contract of insurance or issue insurance documentation. Cover holders operate under authority granted to them by managing agents. While the scope of this authority may vary, cover holders may be able to issue insurance binders and certificates of insurance. In some cases, cover holders have the authority to collect premiums or settle claims. It should be noted that they may be referred to as service companies in certain instances. Through the use of cover holders, managing agents are able to operate worldwide without ever having to establish a local office. For instance, a UK managing agent could authorize a US cover holder to bind insurance coverage for a local policyholder. There are many parties at play in the Lloyds of London marketplace. However, the process of securing the appropriate coverage through the marketplace is relatively straightforward. Please contact us with questions about any insurance or risk management topic. We will see you again soon.